Back lymphatic detoxification. Tie a knot on the other tube when using just one tube. Move the grace cup from Da-Zhui to 14 all the way down to caudal vertebrae 3 times. Push from the bladder channel to caudal vertebrae 3 times. Push from the shoulder blade to the underarm 3 times. Move in parallel lines, tracing the ribs to the waist 3 times. Move from the neck to Da Ban Jing 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Detoxification through moving cupping. Glide the cups on bladder channel and Du channel back and forth to expel toxins and waste. Adjust pressure accordingly. Select the cups of your choice and glide on Da Ban Jing back and forth 3 to 5 times. Detoxification through fixed cupping. Untie the knot when using both tubes. Fixate the cups on Da-Zhui to 14, Jianjing gallbladder 21, and the 8 crevice area for around 5 to 10 minutes. Adjust pressure accordingly. Remove the cups and clean with towel.